Hi guys. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? Jeffrey Montemayar. Good morning. Hi, Jeffrey. I wanna be there for you. I wanna be now within you. I wanna be. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Don't do live if you're gonna read it. Yes. Solidad. Yes! Oh my god, so beautiful. So beautiful, Yella. So Princess, say hi. Hi. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bảo Tuấn. Sao mà kay Jordan? Oh, kay Jordan. Ulan naman. Puro mo kasi. Oy, ka dance. Kasi. Maka-airbag ban sana. May airbag ako bigayan ng airbag. Ashley, you look pretty. Yes. Yes. She's pretty. Guys, don't want to come into solitude. Wait, I just put the water here. I'll let you go. I will never know what my life could be. Home, I shall command. If I let you go, if I will, I know. Thank you for joining here, 9 people. Hi. If I let you go, I will never know who my life would be. Holding you close to me. Will I ever see the sun that comes? Will I know? I will never know what life would be holding you. Oh, baby. Alam mo ba, thank you for the likes. Hello, maayong morning lahat. Hi, good morning. Ronald. Ronald, good morning, Ronald. Thank you for the 13 people. Thank you so much for watching. Where are you from, Ronald? Saan ka galing? Taga saan ka? Alam mo ba, daming ingay na, Christmas song everywhere here. Oh my God. Night, oh holy night. Kaliwat kanan yung tugtog dito. Di ba alam kung ano yung papakinggan. So, maingay. Maingay talaga. Good morning. Ano? The banana in the morning. Banana in the morning. Thank you for the 22 people na. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone here. Hi, 2 people. Thank you so much for joining here. You like banana? I like banana. I love banana. Hi, hit the like button, guys. Thank you. Our Princessa Brand. Hi, Idnaldo Sabino. Hi. Where are you from? Singapore. English. Maria Chode. Hi, Mario Chode. Hi, hello, Mario. What's up? Where are you from, Mario? Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Let's coffee, guys. Banana. 40 people here and only 7 likes. It's fine. Linda Menina. Hi, Edson Ferreira. Where are you from? Linda? What means Linda? So, here, Linda is the name of a woman. Thank you for watching, everyone here. 49 people. Cheer up. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. He is speaking Spanish. Spanish language. Hi, thank you for joining here from Spain. Hi, thank you. Can you see something? Lots of people here. See something. Oy, tap your screen two times for likes. Opo, oo. Tap your screen two times for likes. Busi Novel. Thank you, 37 likes. 39 people. Hello. Hi, thank you, Lord, for another day, another life. Another day, another life. Thank you so much. Where is Gab home? No, he's in the school. Not here. Oh, Gab here. He's in the school. Gab going to school today. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you sa nagda-likes. Tayo sa yutan. I heard his voice. No, his mom. She's my mom. She said I need to pay the bills, electric bill, today because the due date is on November 10th. November 14th. Late. I can't see the date. I can't see the due date. Maybe hope not cut done. Abrahamers. Hi. She gets little like she wears bikini, guys. Yes, I can do a bikini. Bye. Oh my god. Yeah. What electric bell? The electric bell is always 14, like due date, something like what electric bell? I'm like some sentiment line. The electric bell. Oh my god, I'm solid again. Oh my god. My mom said you need to pay the bill today. Yes, mother. Parabéns, Lindona Marie. Caesar. What it means? I don't know what it means. Ednaldo Sabeno. What do you mean? Thank you for the likes. Guys, thank you so much. Mm. For the last time, here, have her pee if she have her pee it.
Dua mana itu habis nagkataon sa
Thank you so much for letting the people here. Very easy, man. Abog tao na. I don't wanna be let down. Hi, beautiful. Shiny, shine Sloan. Hi, shine Sloan. Hello, how are ya? Mabugkawon. Oh my gosh. I'm from Panic Easy. Hi, I'm from Mars. Panic Easy. I think you are my lost friend. From Panic Phoenix, what? Oh, la, la, la. Alam kong meron, alam mo hindi ka na sumuko ang puso ka. Sa paulit-ulit na nasaktan na mukhang dedikado na naman na. Easy is Arizona. Okay, sorry. Sorry, I don't know. I don't know that Easy is Arizona. Hi, welcome to my live streaming from Arizona, USA, from Philippines. Yay! Thank you for joining my live from USA, Arizona. Thank you guys. And watching from Texas. Oh my god. Bravo. Junking. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dum-dum-ding. Hey, 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 hey. God. The song Rodolph. Yeah. Wrong spelling. Wrong? Why wrong? Rodolph. Why? I don't understand your language. Ignaldo Sabeno. What it means? Parabens, parabens. Voci entrisante. Querida Vinha. Ah? Thank you for watching from Spain. Spanish. 10. Thank you so much. Sure, I'll delete it. Don't delete it. Okay. Okay. Yes, master. Yes, master. What do you want, master? Master. Master King. Oh my god. Thank you, 49 people here. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Oh my god. I feel hot now. Yeah. Feel hot. Hola, amor. Hi, Pastor Eramors. Oh my god, 50 million here now. Thank you so much. Salamat sa 50 million. Oh, 59! My gosh! Thank you so much. Oh my god, thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. You're the best. Thank you sa nag-like. Salamat. Aries Moelinda. What it means? What it means? 65 million here now. Thank you so much. 65. Thank you. I really appreciate the viewers here now. Oh my god. So many people here now. Where are you from, guys? Hola from Earth. I'm from Universe. Thank you for watching. What's your name? Tuna. Tuna from Earth, me I'm from Universe. Thank you. We met here on my live stream. Thank you so much. D Dundee or else what it means. What it means, the Dundee. Ouch. Thank you. Hello, Chicken Don. Hello, Chicken Don. Hello, VH 22. Hi. No more. Good. Uh, what's up? What's up? Thank you for the likes. Thank you for giving the likes. Sunod heart, thank you. Baka naman. Guys, please hit the likes. Thank you so much, my team. Harley! VHLM22, thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Oh, thanks God. The songs outside is done now. Oh my God, so peaceful now. Thank you for. Thank you. Hi guys, how are you? I'm fine. Kumusta? How are you? I'm fine here. New Jokes, Republic Dominican from France, but actually jobless. I swear I searched for a job. No kidding. By the way, you have a nice energy. Thank you so much, Chona. No jokes. How are you? I'm from Brazil. Can we be friends? Hi, Elton, Dennis. Hi. Thank you so much. Yes, we're friends here in YouTube. Thank you so much for joining here. Elton Dennis from Brazil. You look so happy today. Good to see it. Thank you, Insan. Yes, I need to be positive in life. Yes. No choice. Eh, it's like waste of time to be sad, to be lonely, to be to be go on, to be feel boring. I want a positive vibes, positive vision of my life. Thank you so much, 33 million here in the thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Alam mo bang muntik ka nang sumuko ng puso ka? Hindi din san. Be positive lang lagi, but sometimes it's okay to feel down, but always be positive. Yes, it's like, it's normal that being feel so down, feel so sad, but just feel the moment, just maybe, but always choose to, always choose to, ano ba yun? Ang hirap mag-English. Really difficult to speak in English. Oh my God. I always be positive in life. Whatever happens, it happens. Need to move forward. No need to stop the negative, ano, negative happens. That looking forward for positive. Yes. Do it because no choice. It's a life. Real life is a lot of challenges, struggle in life. Here in Brazil, I own a gym and I'd like to be your friend. Would you like to visit Brazil? Brazil is a beautiful country, but oh my God, how I visit in Brazil, even here, I have enough money to visit. I'm going in the Manila. I want to going in the beach, but sorry, I can't afford. Yes, that's life, insan. Everything happens for a reason. Tama, it's very true. Bad or good, but Give us lessons and gives what? Give us lessons and good gives us experience. Yes, the bad happens in our life is give us a lessons, and the happiness and good happens in life is the give us an experience. That's why we learn a lot of life based on our experience. That's why. Oh my god. Good morning, my love. Hey, where you from, Jay? Hi, baby. Love you. Hey, Jay, where you from, Jay? Jay. You are very beautiful and married. Sorry, I'm not married, but I'm not single. After kisses your lips on my lips, and then... Okay, my love, my love, my love. Love you. Oh my god, who are you? Who are you? Who are you, Jay? Where are you from? Okay, my love. I know. I already read it. 30 people here. Thank you so much for the 32 million here. Thank you a lot. I need to pay the bills after the lives. I need to go to the market because the disconnection notice is, oh my god, November 17. November? If amount is not paid. Oh my god, the disconnection. Today is a disconnection, so I need to hurry up. Oh my god, how are you, Lode? Hi, love live lives. I'm fine here today. How are you today? I'm fine today. Oh my god, what is time here now? Because the maybe they cut the ano now. Yes. Na, 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 na. Tomorrow, I like and already subscribe, Cheryl. Thank you, lovely lives. Thank you so much. Thank you for the time. Thank you for the likes. The pretty Filipina Cheryl. Thank you so much. Lovely lives. Lovely lives. Lovely lives. What's the plans today, Cheryl? The plans today, work, work all day. Yeah, 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 yeah. To the sands, Uh, oh my god, 16 likes. Thank you so much. It's a busy work day for sure. Thank you. Oh, busy. Today is a Monday, is a working day. You once told me work is life. Yeah, work is life. Richard. Richard. W6, what it means. Correction, the plans today are work and occasional sing and dance. Yes. Oh my god, advance Merry Christmas, everybody. Advance Merry Christmas, everyone here. Menina, for what it means. Ciao, ciao. Alessandro Gipon. Ciao, ciao. What it means, ciao. Hi. Then you send me your contact information. Why? Why should I send you the contact information? Did you have breakfast and coffee yet today? I breakfast today. Today is always coffee and I already done the banana. It's a two banana. Yeah, that's one. Sure, excited for Christmas. Yes, because I feel you sent me Christmas gift. Oh my god. I'm excited the Christmas gift. Share your blessings. Here, Christmas is happy here. You love bananas. Yes, I love bananas. The empty bananas now. No more bananas, but I love more bananas. The thing you love me. Sibilissima. Oh my god, thank you. Alessandro. Alessandro Gipani. Thank you, Sibilissima. I think Sibilissima is like a positive word. Someone shower the Filipino with Christmas gift. Okay. Linda Biringera, what it means. Love the one that goes on a chibi nice. Chicken banana, chicken banana. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. What it means? Riez Miranda. Hello, Alfonso Gilan. Alfonso Gilan, hello. Thank you for joining here. Is you beautiful? Thank you so much. Where you from, Alfonso? Then you send me your contact information and this email I sent you. Why? Why did I? You're married? I'm not married. Alfonso is not available. I'm not married, but I'm not single. I'm taken. Praveen Verma. Hi, Praveen Verma. What time will you do live again, Cheryl, after this live? I do live tonight here, night here. I do live always night, morning here in the Philippines time. I thought your email is deleted. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you for giving the heart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks. Donizet. Bernard Donizet. Hello. Francisa Bozi Elinda Maravilhosa Perfita. Ano yun? Okay, it will be fun tonight with Cheryl. Thank you, lovely lives. Hope you join again. I do live tonight here. I do live twice a day, night in here in the Philippines. Okay, it will be fun tonight with Cheryl. Thank you so much, guys. Plainfield. Hi from Geneva. Hi, Plainfield from Geneva. Where is Geneva from? It's South America. You speak Portuguese, beautiful. No, I'm not speak Portuguese. Yeah. I can speak a little bit of some of the words of English, but I'm a Filipina, so I speak Tagalog and English. Sisi Bella, love you, magnific. What it means? Mika Densmo, lovely lives. I will send you later at your night live goodbye. I will see you later. At, thank you, goodbye, good beautiful. Agabrol. Okay. Filipino shall enjoy your busy work day in the Philippines. Thank you so much, love, guys. Thank you so much. Geneva is by a city from Switzerland. Oh my gosh, Switzerland is a beautiful country. I love the landscape there, the nature, so beautiful. One of my dreams come to one I want to visit. Hope someday I will visit the Switzerland. So beautiful country, Switzerland. Thanks, Twister. Thank- yes, thanks, Twister. What it means, Jackie Busi Pala, Portuguese, Benmora. Aqui no Brazil comigo. What it means? Alton. Okay, bye now, Cheryl. Bye bye. Thank you for joining here, lovely lives. Thank you so much. God bless you. Sweet dreams. Sleep well. Good night. Sweet dreams. God bless you. Thank you so much. Take care always. Bye. I'll to English. I need to go to the live. Thank you so much, guys. My friends here in YouTube always supporting my live stream here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the likes always. Thank you sa nag-heart. Princesa. Fala comigo, Brazil. Rene Luiz Tiza. Hello from Brazil. Thank you so much for watching. I'm from Philippines. Prince Johnny Clamera. Princesa. Hey, where are you from? Thank you so much for joining here again. I know, maybe it's your first time. Thank you. My God, so many people here today. Boa noite, Princesa. Sao Paulo, Brazil. Wow. Sao Paulo, Brazil. That's great. Matthews Duarte. Linda Kipes, Buzi Milamar. Milamar. Morning magandang Bicolana. Love, love. Hi, Roy Flores. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for joining here again, Roy Flores. Amor. Amor. Sa first time. Hala na. Hala din. Ganyan na. Busi Fala Portuguese. Hey, thank you so much from Brazil. I'm Portuguese from Portugal. The Zumba dance. Right. Saki. Hala. Hola, buon noite. Hello. Doreen Braga from Portugal. Follow Portuguese. Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Bossy ED Portugal. Hi, thank you for joining here from Portugal. Maybe you're Korean. I don't understand Korean language. Maybe you can speak English. Alo, what means alo? A Darren brother from Portugal. Thank you for from Brazil, Sudal, Brazil. Thank you for the likes. Você gosta mesmo de Dankar? What it means? Jefferson Salvador Paula. Linda, você vai me adicionar no WhatsApp? Sim, no, I don't have WhatsApp. Sorry. Você é muito linda. What it means? Can you speak it? Can you translate it in English, guys? Thanks. I really hear some more. Chunan message nana. My matey English. Yes, can you speak in English? Si Pawa for today.
Ano, kay sa nakabyo, yan na naman sa nila makakay. Tapos na nila ano kawayan ng salvasyon. Tapos dito parang plano mo yung pinanaki ko sa kanya na kayo. Tapos marami ko sila islaw. Sabi nila, dito mga
Thank you so much for watching.
sila niya. Sabi ko dito niya, naayos. Kamay na kanya.
Nagpay na po. Kay.
Ay, sana saba.
Salamat po. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Oo, di ko na mati. Yan si Papay. Si Juday. Si Mama, yan to sa sinyo. Ang meeting. Si Papa yan natin. Siya. Si Juday.
Kayang iwan ka.
Hai Julian, gusto mo tawan? Gusto mo tawan niya? Ay. Ay. Ay.
Yeah.
Nagawa ko.
Ay, hindi nagpupuro ka na. Dahil natin na maligo kang Grayson? May nag-hingaya na. Agulat sa cellphone. May hingaya. May nag-hingaya. Para na. Ano pa man? Uy! Dapat ito.
Yeah. 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 Thank you so much for watching.
Ayun na pagbaga. Ubus na langis. hanger. Sana pwede.
Ha? Saan?
May nakatumpok na yung video.
Dalay ka lang.
Hindi mo na po ano.
Okay, okay. Ano nila? Sila?
Wala daw dito din. Wala.
Walang katulad. Ay, salamat din.
Katulad. Nautunan kami ganun.
Oh, walis ka pa rin sa sabi nila. Walis ka dito. Magda ka na. Paikot na lang ako sa balay. Ah,
Pangalan na lang ako.
ka na. Nainis ka mo.
Luya na kita.
Makalaki ay ako.
Tinggal ka ba?
Sa dumitan.
Ay, naku ba yan nga? Di pala siya tuluban.
Aling ka na! Wala ka sinila! Ay, kasi, ay, ay, kasi, ay, kasi, ay,
Pakya ka. Oh my God.
laga. Tilika, tilika.
Talaga. Oh my God, come on. Stan.
Ano lagi?
Sa gabi. Sayaw, sayaw. Sabi, dance, dance, dance. Chiriran. Ini ka na na. Sayaw, sayaw. Chiriran, chan, chan. Chiriran, chan. Sayaw, come on. Hindi tayo. Chiripang, ping, ping. Chiriran, chiriran, ching, ching. Ay,
baba.
come on. Let's dance. Come on, come on. That's jazz, yes. That's jazz. Thank you for the likes. Hi. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next live. Thank you so much. Bye. Love you all.